What you are doing? No.
Shit.
You just broke it? The destroyer is here. Our channel is not a family channel. We actually try to find this. Always coffee, coffee, coffee. They are saying that it's closed. Maybe. You want to try this? Octopus place is look really dead. No one is here. So there's a nice view. It's really spicy one.
Hi guys, welcome to Two Enough Travelers. I am Kashu. Hope you are doing well.
Merry Christmas to all of you. He wanted to climb here.
Mama is okay. So we are first time decorating the Christmas tree at our home. Shit.
You just broke it?
No, I have to open this here. I don't know how. Yay!
No. Are you sure?
Yes. No, it's just like.
Yeah, that's what I told you. We really don't know how to do this. In this vlog, if you think that this guy doesn't know anything about the Christmas, that's true. We don't know anything about Christmas, but still we are enjoying. By the way, why we are celebrating Christmas? Because it's a fun, it's a festival, and we Indians love all the festivals. In India, we never get a chance to have a Christmas tree in our home because we are so much into the Diwali. And if you haven't watched our Diwali vlog, the link is in the description.
Yeah. Check karo.
Yeah, check karo.
Oh, what?
Oh, finally, the first step is over.
Yeah. We have original Christmas tree at our home in India and we never decorate that tree, but here we got
Fake Christmas tree. It looks weird, don't you think? Yeah, the
like
flow.
this.
Yeah, the flow is always down. I don't know. It should be like this, right?
You can do at any side. See? Ting, ting. Okay?
What you are doing? No. Are you sure it's the right way? I think it's upside down, maybe.
See? Wow.
I don't think so. It should not be like this, you know. Anyway, this is not Diwali. We don't need to clean house.
In any festival, you have to clean your house.
So basically, she is telling that only in the festival you have to clean the house, otherwise it's okay. So what you need in a basic Christmas decoration? First, a Christmas tree. And the colorful things that you don't know. Before decorating, he is going to destroy everything. The destroyer is here.
मैं क्या करूं फिर जॉब छोड़ दूं?
Wait! No! No, beta.
Hey, babu. So we made a really big mistake. Actually, we have to first put the lights and then we have to put all these things. And now it's all messed up. I don't know how our tree will look like. Anyway, but it's a fake.
I need original.
Yeah, I'll give you. So it's almost finished. But what's this, Kashu?
I don't know, it's a bow.
Okay, it looks good. You might be wondering why it's so peaceful. I'll show you why. Because this guy is here. Are you excited? He's so helping child. He's helping Moma to clean the room. Oh, shit. So the pizza is here. So it was so late, so we thought we should order some pizza. And this is Kashu's favorite pizza, Domino's.
Domino's.
Hey Vedu, what are you doing? You are just removing everything from mommy's purse, huh? You want to do makeup?
Ved. Wah 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 wah. Hi.
Oh, you got candy. Wow.
Ved, your favorite. Mushroom. Sweet potato. Pineapple. This is the Christmas gift for Ved.
Actually, he likes to play with this, all the animals.
There.
He's already engaged in all the animals.
Giraffe. Lion.
Wow. Wow, yeah. He's catching random words, whatever we are speaking.
And I am making animal farmhouse.
Oh, Dada. But we need to teach him that all these animals cannot live together.
Ducky. Yeah, da. He likes da.
Yeah, duck. Duck. Oh.
Michi. Lion.
So, we are in the lift. Let's see what's outside. From here. We actually tried to find this. I think the name is Soho. We couldn't find. I don't know if you can read it in reverse. But we are at right now. It's Soho. The street over here looks really good, huh? There are different restaurants. Whenever she see the restaurants, she wants to go always in the coffee. Always coffee. Why you love coffee so much?
I am addicted with coffee.
So someone told us that this place there is a big screen. It's a Trends Tower. Oh wow! It's a very big screen over here.
How to see it?
How to see means you just have to look like this. Oh, there's something is going. There is a mall over there, so we should go first at that side. We can go over there. It's an amusement park kind of thing. Let me see what's there. Oh wow! This place is also for more than 3 years, maybe. For Ved, we cannot go. Hi. Maybe we can try this restaurant. This restaurant looks nice. The Pokemon's are so famous. Oh my god. What is this? Our channel is not a family channel. Why they are without the clothes? I don't know. Maybe if we find some different restaurant, maybe then we can try something. And what happened to your cheek, huh, baby? Mummy ne kisi kiya. It's a hot pot. The theme of this restaurant is something different.
Yeah, of course. This is Thai restaurant.
Yeah.
What is this?
Must be some new development.
Maybe. What did you say?
I said if you want to buy a house, you can buy.
Yeah, I want.
But we can't. They are saying it's closed, maybe. You want to try this octopus?
No. I want to try this.
French fries. Let's go. Starbucks. She always want coffee. So now she is, I think, calmed down because she got her coffee dose. The Indian restaurant that we were trying to find, that is already closed. So we have searched some other restaurant also here, just nearby 500 meters. So we will again walk and we will go. Still, I don't know that restaurant is open or not. In the map it says it is open. So let's go. I think I should give her the coffee only. She will be very fine. He's so happy getting the straw. So this was the place. We will be going in that building. This one is so cute, huh? Mickey cap. So we came here, but this place is look really dead. No one is here. All the shops are closed. This restaurant is complete Indian vibe. So for all the Chinese and international viewers, this is a map of India. Like the Kerala is famous for the coconuts, Maharashtra is famous for mango, Kashmir is famous for apples and Kashmiri mirch. Oh, that's nice. Samosa chana chaat. Oh, batata vada. This one is something different because most of the Indian restaurants, they don't have this kind of snacks. So they have given this Chinese tea. So actually this place was vacant. They were so nice. They give us this place. It's very cool. So there's a nice view. They know we are Indian, so they are giving us some favors. So okay, let's order then. So the decoration is also very nice. Huh? 3-color lotus Indian restaurant. He's enjoying everywhere. If you just give him spoon, he's all okay. He's a happy kid.
Happy.
And Ved has today so many good clothes, huh? Yeah. See, our order is here. Yeah. It has an Indian taste. How?
Yeah, very tasty.
Very authentic.
So this is the paneer kadai. This is paneer, very famous in India. Just like the tofu is famous in China.
How's that? It's good?
Garlic taste.
Yeah. She has a coffee and now
Indian.
especially the chaat is also very good. Let's eat it now.
So this one is vegetable raita. It's made up from curd. This is salty curd.
Salty, not the sweet one.
Not sweet.
Oh my god, that's really spicy one. That was, I didn't expect it, this one. So we had authentic Indian food. It was really tasty.
Like, share and subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more notifications.
Okay, bye bye. There is some. Oh my god, guys, this is a moment you should eat chicken. He's trying first time. Wow.